Enclosure logos usually feature the text, graphical elements in an enclosed badge form. Here's some Enclosure logos I've designed and the information relating to each. 2TV is a broadcasting company specialising in digital media. The text is a chunky cartoon-like sans serif placed upon a tidy shape representing a hot air balloon depicting freedom of creativity. Anchor Marine is a boat repair business. The logo features elements you may see at a dock or upon a boat, arranged in a tidy badge-like format. Text is a bold, extended slab serif. Cherry Picker is a market research company who specialise in extracting information from specified demographics. The playful script type placed upon the cherry shape gives the logo an off-the-wall quality whilst encompassing all elements within a tidy badge style. Out of the Blue features a chef's hat for its fish restaurant with text that resembles the rolling waves of the sea. The oval background helps to tie in all elements into one concise unit. Z Games specialise in mobile gaming. The logo features a cartoon bubble-shaped font placed upon a circular background. This tidy form opens up application potential from intro screens to in-app corner placement.